Now, we are not going to explore the whole essential sound panel or the effects within this preset. It's just to show you how you could apply a preset and reap the benefit before you go into the details of the audio effects. So let's see how this can happen. You are now in section 8.4 and you have the extreme biking. If you double click on it, it will open. Cool. We want to enhance the vocals for the guy speaking. Instead of playing with the volumes and so on, we are going to apply a single preset and see what happens. For example, let's take this clip here. I will press the backslash to put the in and out on the clip. Press spacebar, and I would like you to listen to it.
I would like to get a pro license and start racing World Cups one day. That would definitely be where I want to go. In a dream world.
Okay, this is not bad. Now let's select the whole track. I will use A to cheat a bit, press Shift and Alt or Option on the Mac and select the whole track over here. To apply the preset, of course, make sure that all the clips that you want to apply the preset to are selected. Let's go now to Essential Sound, and from the preset, you can come to the arrow here, pull it down, and you have dialogue. Within dialogue, there is balanced male voice. If you click on it, the preset has been applied to all the selected clips. You notice how it turned into green. Within the preset, many effects have been applied. There is the loudness, repair, clarity, equalizer with subtle boost for the male. You have enhanced speech, and they all have been set to certain values. Now let's listen again to the same clip. I press spacebar.
World, I would like to get a pro license and start racing World Cups one day. That would definitely be where I want to go. In a dream world, I would like...
I'm gonna play it again, but I would like you to look at the clip mixer here and see how it's going very high to -3. This is mainly the volume.
In World Cups one day. That would definitely be where I want to go. In a dream world, I would like to get a pro license and start racing World Cups.
So obviously the volume is pretty high, hitting to -3. We need to lower it down to -12. Now it's not good to be in the clip mixer and start working on one of them. Let's work on all of them. Press A, Control and Alt or Option on the Mac, select everything and then go to the track mixer here and let's play one clip, only a single clip.
In World Cups one day. That would definitely be where I want to go. In a dream world, I would like
to... It seems that we need to lower just a bit. Here, we lower the volume for all the track here, if you notice. Let's play it again and adjust it. Still too high, let's lower it.
Be where I want to go. In a dream world, I would like to get a pro license and start racing World Cups one day. That would...
Okay, I think this is cool.
Be where I want to go.
And now the volume is set to be quite okay. This is all I wanted to show you in this lecture. If you don't want to use this preset, it's very easy. Just select like they are, come to clear audio type, just click, and here it goes, the preset has been removed. So it's pretty easy to put it, just dialogue and male voice, and then if you don't like it, just clear it, and here you are, you're back to normal. Thank you very much for listening. I'll see you in the next lecture.